Okay, real quick. Some rules, some basic rules of the Neapolitan chord. Um, the only real rule here is that if you're going to call her Neapolitan 6, the root is going to be a flat 2 and it's going to be a major chord. Okay, it's going to be a major chord built on a flat 2. So that's what a Neapolitan chord is. However, some other characteristics of it is that we usually find it in first inversion, so as a 6. It usually resolves to 5, although there are some exceptions to that. And it's usually in a minor key. Now, again, there are exceptions to that. You can do it in a major key. You have to use a little bit of mode mixture to get there, but you can do it. You can resolve it to a cadential 6/4 instead of a 5. You can resolve it to a 5/7, or sorry, a diminished 7th chord, but it's a little trickier and much more rare. So its typical usage is as a 6th chord in a minor key, resolving to the 5 chord. But as we get further and further into music theory, you'll find that composers are going to start to get really liberal with these rules, right? All the rules that we've learned up till now, composers are going to start to say, well, maybe they're just guidelines and I can do what I want. Because you can. As a composer, you can do whatever you want. So the analysis gets harder and harder because they start to break the rules a lot. And what music theory has done is adapt and say, well, we can deal with the way they broke that rule by creating a new rule. So we're going to see more of that. Okay, let's move on and talk about augmented 6th chords.